Hello everybody, my name is Ardalan Qilavizadeh here in the Ganoderma farm. The owner invited me for the removing the sun problem of this project. This is the here we have the 200 meters for this growing. This is the reishi mushroom, red Ganoderma, red reishi mushroom. The best shape for the reishi mushroom for the Ganoderma is exactly like this. This is the best shape. But now, as you can see behind me, they are not suitable. That is very clear. You can see this is not suitable reishi mushroom. The reishi mushroom exactly should be like this, like a fruit, like a leaf. But here, as you can see, this is the disorder. This is known as deer antlers, like a deer antlers exactly. This is not suitable. They invited me for the removing this problem. I would like explain for you what is the reason. What should we do when we see like this? As you can see, this is the deer antlers. You know, very clear. Suitable, not suitable. And you can see what are the reasons for the reishi mushroom this disorder. Reishi mushroom is for the warm region. In the winter, in the cold region, if you couldn't control the temperature under 25 centigrade. In this period, we should control the temperature 25 centigrade. But if we have the fall in temperature, for example, temperature went down to the under 20 centigrade, for example, 17 centigrade, sometimes 12 centigrade. Exactly, this mushroom converted to these deer antlers, to these disorders. In the low temperature, all the mushrooms are able converted to the unsuitable mushroom, the deer antlers. Low temperature and the high CO2, two reasons very important in this disorder, deer antlers. Okay, the best temperature for this growing is the 25 centigrade. The best CO2 now should be 700 ppm, 600 ppm, 700 ppm. When the CO2 go up under 1500 ppm, 1300 ppm, 2000 ppm, they are started to the deer antlers. And when the temperature under the 20 centigrade, 18, 19, 15, sometimes 9 centigrade, converted to the deer antlers. Now, I want to show you all the reason. There are numerous problems here, and you can see this is, for example, for the trichoderma. We can see this trichoderma. This is not related to the temperature or the CO2. This is like the sterilization phase, Also, another reason for the time of when we want to add the S-bond to the compost, when we don't use the laminar hood, they face with the problem. Another problem that you can see, this is like this. We shouldn't open like this. This is very large. For the best, creating a hole exactly should be like this. The best situation for the cutting for the reishi mushroom, we should create like this, not like this. When you provide the larger surface, we have the numerous pinhead, and therefore is not suitable. For the reishi mushroom, only this ring is the grade. This is correct for the reishi mushroom. This is very high. This is usually for the king oyster we should provide cut, not for the reishi mushroom. When you provide like this, from here we have the pin. The number of the mushroom is the high, but the quality is the low. Therefore, all the deer antlers, all you can see, is the deer antlers, and I would like to show you when we use the air handling unit. And another reason, this is using the domestic heater. For the domestic heating, we shouldn't use the domestic heater. This is the gas heater. We shouldn't use the gas. The best for the all mushroom, for the button mushroom, for the exotic mushroom, we should use air handling unit, not air conditioners, not a split, only air handling unit. For the air handling unit, we should provide in the cold region the boiler connected to the air handling unit, provide for us the warm air. In the warm region, we should provide chiller plus the air handling unit. Chiller provide for us the cold water, air handling unit converted the cold water to the cold air, therefore we have the suitable. Okay? Therefore, for the providing, we shouldn't warm. We should control the temperature in the suitable way, not all the ways, like the heater and the heater that uses in the offices, in the houses. The best is the air handling unit. Air handling unit, inside the air handling unit also provide for us the humidity. We are inside the air handling unit, we have the small humidifier. We have the simultaneously provide for us the humidity, also the CO2, also like this. This is. Therefore, usually takes, for the reishi mushroom, usually takes 3 months. The first month is the vegetative phase. We should provide temperature 28 centigrade, CO2 3000 ppm without light. After the vegetative phase, in the productive phase, we should provide the temperature 25 centigrade, light over near the 1200 lux, and the CO2 700 ppm. Another. Now this is the room. Okay, this is our room. Okay, this is the one of the room. This also there are the deer antlers, but this is suitable. All the mushroom should be like this. Should be like this. The test temperature, the best temperature is the 25 centigrade. Now, how we can provide the CO2? How we can control with the air handling unit itself help us? And also here we should provide. This is one row, and here exactly in the transverse wall we should provide a damper 50 by 50 centimeters in the down, because CO2 is heavy is the down, and we should provide a damper from the here. Each 100 square meters needs 0.4 meters. We need to damper exhaust. This is the CO2, and now we want to show you the amount of the CO2. The best for the damper for the CO2 for the helping, and we should provide for the window for the receiving national light here. The top surface 1 meters by 150 meters. We should 150 centimeters. We should provide a window for the light, for the receiving national light. Not like this. The window for the receiving the sunlight should be in the transverse wall, not in the longitudinal wall. You know, for example, in this room, in this farm, they are provided the glasses here. This is not suitable for the saffron, is not suitable for the exotic mushroom, is not suitable. We shouldn't provide the glasses. All should be covered. All the window with the plastofoam or the panel should be completely glass. If you can see, this is the window, all the glass, and here all glass. All the windows should be completely covered like this. Okay, all should be covered, all the windows. For 100 meters we need only a window for the sunlight, and at the end of this room, and the best place for the room exactly for the window, exactly like this. For the CO2 we should receive via this region, not via this. This is the all the correct. Now you can see the amount of the CO2 in this room, 100-200 ppm. This is for the bottom mushroom is good, but for the reishi mushroom this number should be 600 ppm. We should have this half of this amount. Thank you.